Hello student, let us start now question number 10. Okay, your question is the first row y plus k, y. The second row y plus k, and the third row y plus k. And your answer you have to get k square equal to 3y plus k. So obviously we will proceed from the left hand side. Okay, so let us write our left hand side. After writing the left hand side, you see your right hand side. You need k square. K square is not common from here directly. 3y plus k is required. So what is how you see if I add column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3 everywhere, 3y plus k will come common. So in row also we can do the same. Adding rows also we can get the same. So either you add the rows or you do the columns. One more thing I have to tell you. That is what I am just applying any one of the property here. One procedure I have done. The same question can be solved in other ways also. Okay. So here I have replaced column 1 by column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So what we have? This is y plus k plus y which will be equal to 3y plus k. This is again y plus k y plus y. That is 3y plus k. Again it is what? 3y plus k. Keep the rest as it is. y plus k, this is y plus k. Now, hope you understand that I have to take common 3y plus k from the first row. Column 1 will be left. This is y plus k, here y plus k will be there. After this, you see what to do. As we have one row or column, all elements are equal. So subtract, you will obtain your answer. So let us replace R1 by R1 minus R2 and R2 replaced by R2 minus R3 because I can get 2 zeros. So 3y plus k will be there. Replacing 1 minus 1 will be 0, R1 minus R2, y minus k. That is what? Minus k. Y minus y is 0. R2 minus R3 will give you 0. This is k and here what is left? Minus k. Keep it as it is. Y plus k. Now you see in your first row, k is coming common. And in your second row also, k is coming common. Is not it? So I can take common 2 k's from your first row and the second row. Okay. So let us take common k, 3y plus k will be there. And taking common 2 k's. 1 from the first row, this will be left. And here, this is second from the second row, 1 and this is minus 1. After that, 1y plus k. This is done. After this you see, again if you notice properly, then if I add column 2 and column 3, 1 0 will come, 1 more 0 will come, right? So let us apply this column 2 replaced by column 2 plus column 3. So here we'll have 3y plus k square. I have to keep it as it is, column 2 plus column 3. So minus 1, this is 0. This is twice y plus k. Keep it as it is, 0, minus 1 and this y plus k. Now I can expand it because I have got 2 zeros out of 3. So we can expand in terms of first row. Okay, so this is 3y plus k into k square. Expanding in terms of first row. First is 0, minus, you have to write the minus 1. Row and the column deleted. 0, 1, minus 1, y plus k will be there. Plus 0. So what you have got? This is expanded 3y plus k square, minus gives you plus 1. This is 0, minus plus 1. So we have got it k square into 3y plus k, which is your right hand side, and this is proved. So question number 10 of 2 I have done the solution. 1 hope you can do yourself. Okay, try to do question number 1 yourself. The same procedure. First you add the all rows or columns. Column 1 replaced by column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. You will get 1 common and then after that proceed like this. Okay, solution of 10 of 1 you can do yourself. Now I proceed to question number 11. Okay, one of the solution, let me give you question number 11a. Sorry, 1. Question number 11, 1 is what? A minus B minus C, twice B, twice C, twice A, B minus C minus A, twice C. This is twice A, twice B, C minus A minus B, and on the right hand side we have A plus B plus C whole cube. So see your left hand side. If you add the elements of the rows, adding the columns will not help you because I need A plus B plus C. Adding the elements of the rows, A minus B plus C, plus 2B will give you plus B, again plus 2C will give you plus C. Just one element, always you notice only one element, rest will come easily. Okay, don't have to think about the others. Remaining element will come easily if you adjust one of them, most of the cases. Okay, so let us write down our left hand side, and what I am going to do, don't have to, just grab it. Yes, row 1 replaced by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Row 1 I have replaced by this one. So if I add A minus B minus C minus plus twice B, so give you A plus B plus C, first element. I am writing directly, okay? I am not writing the simplification step directly, I have written here. So add it again, twice A plus B minus C minus A, twice A minus A will give you A, plus C will give you C. So again A plus B plus C will come. Here also A plus B plus C will come outside. Twice B, twice C, B minus C minus A, twice C, twice B, C minus A minus B. So now you see A plus B plus C is coming common. 1, 1, 1. This is 2B, 2C, B minus C minus A, 2C. Here it is 2B, C minus A minus B. Now hope you understand what to do. One row or column has its all element common, then subtract to get 0. Okay, let us subtract it now. So let us replace column 1 by column 1 minus column 2 and column 2 by column 2 minus column 3. That will give you A plus B plus C. Column 1 minus column 2 give you 0. This is what? This minus B. 2B minus B will give you B minus minus plus C plus A. This minus this will give you 0. Again 1 minus 1, 0. This minus this. Here we have B minus C minus A minus B. Minus C minus A minus B. 2C minus of this one. 1C will cancel out. C plus A plus B. This is 1, 2B, C minus A minus. This is done. Okay. After that, next, hope you understand. You can take common A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C from the first and the second column. So let us take it common. Taking A plus B plus C common from the first and the second column, it becomes A plus B plus C whole cube. What is left here? 0, 1, 0. This is 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 2B, C minus A minus B. 2 zeros we have got, so obviously I'll go to expand now. These questions are proved. Okay, so 0, 0, 0 minus 0 plus 1, this is done. What is left? First row and third column, if I delete, this is left. And here it will be equal to A plus B plus C whole cube. 1, 1, 1 are 1, minus minus plus 0. That is what? A plus B plus C whole cube, which is your right hand side, and the solution is done. Okay, so in the same way you can do the solution of question number 11-2. Okay, let me give the solution of 11-2. Okay, the question number 11-2 is, you have the first element x plus y plus twice z, z and z. This is x, y plus z plus twice x. This is x, y, y, and it is z plus x plus twice y. And the right hand side is 2 times of x plus y plus z whole cube. Take your left hand side, and after taking the left hand side, what you will have to do? After taking the left hand side, okay, if I add column, row, if I add in row, it will not help you. So take your left hand side and add the columns. Okay, so take your left hand side and add the columns. Column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3, which will give you, I am taking left hand side. Okay, and this is what? So it is equal to what? Column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Twice x. plus twice y plus twice z. So 2x plus 2y plus 2z will come. Here also same, twice x plus twice y plus twice z. This is also twice x plus twice y plus twice z. Keep it as it is. X, y plus z plus twice x, x. This is y, y, z plus x plus twice y. Now 2 times of x plus y plus z will come common. Here 1, 1, 1, x, y plus z plus twice x, x, y, y, z plus x plus twice y will be there. Okay. Now we have got ones in all the four elements of the first column. So subtract in rows. Column at present thakile row koribo lagibo. Row 1 replaced by row 1 minus row 2 and row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 3. That give you 2 times of x plus y plus z. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. This minus this will give you minus y minus z minus x. It is 0. Row 2 minus row 3. The 0. This is y plus z plus x. What is that? Yeah. Yes, it is minus z minus x minus y. Keep it as it is. Okay. Now again you see from the first row you can take common x plus y plus z and x plus y plus z from the second row also. So it becomes 2 times of x plus y plus z whole cube, which will give you 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 1 x z plus x plus 2y. Now as we have got 2 zeros out of 3, so let us expand in terms of first row or in terms of first column. I am expanding and referring first row, so I have applied it, expand it in terms of first row. X plus y plus z whole cube. This is 0, minus minus plus 1, first row, and this is deleted. What is left here? 0, 1, minus 1, z plus x plus twice y. That is equal to 2 times of x plus y plus z whole cube. This minus minus plus 1, this is 0, minus minus plus 1. So 1, which is your right hand side and proved. Okay, today I stop here. Next class I will complete the remaining questions of exercise 4.2. Thank you.